Hi everyone, I hope you're doing really good. This is Roshan Mariam from the Executive Office of Losico and Skill Arbitrage. So, I've come here to teach you guys something really interesting. Now, I want to start off with a question. Do you know what the fastest way to grow your business's revenue is? The answer is to have other people tell good things about you. 93% of customers, when they are purchasing your product or service, read your reviews. Did you know that? I'll give you a small example. So last weekend, I was heading out to dinner with this friend of mine and I wanted us to try this specific place out. I'd been there earlier, it's a very good place, and no matter what I said, she simply didn't want to try that place out. Any guesses why? Because that place had a lot of bad reviews on Google. People said the queues were long, the waiting period was insanely long, the food was average, etc., which to my surprise was contradictory to what I experienced. So we didn't end up going there and we went to this other cafe that she had picked. But I had convinced her to try out my restaurant as well, as in the restaurant I wanted to go as well. And guess what? She really liked it. Now, do you realize how much business the restaurant I wanted to go to had lost simply because of bad reviews? The same thing applies for any good business. It could be an Airbnb property, a local service provider, or any business for that matter. Their success depends heavily on reviews. Not everyone understands the importance of reviews, because of which most business owners don't invest heavily on having good reviews. So I reached out to the management of the hotel and I explained them the problem and I told them I can connect you with a support and ops professional who can get this review thing sorted for you. And guess what? The manager was immediately interested. Now, I found this restaurant by luck, but I'm here to teach you how you can intentionally find such restaurants with the help of AI and pitch to them. I'm going to quickly share my screen and show you how it's done. Now, the AI I'm going to be using to do this work is none other than ChatGPT. Okay, you can obviously use the free version as well. I've tried it out with another GPT as well, and I'm going to show it to you right after I show you what we have to do. Okay, so the prompt I'm going to give is, I'm a support and ops professional from India and I want to provide services to restaurants in London. Now, you need me to find a list of ideal clients with bad reviews along with their email or LinkedIn. Now, what have I asked ChatGPT? Go and find out restaurants in London that has bad reviews. But don't just stop with the reviews. Also give me their LinkedIn and email ID so I can reach out to them. Right. So now what will ChatGPT do? It'll go find out restaurants that match my criteria and it'll give me a list. Okay. Till the time it's generating, I'll just show you the same thing that I did with Claude and I'll show you the output there. We've got a list of restaurants. So Ricky's was a restaurant that had no social media, which is why people couldn't leave reviews. Sri again had the same issue. Denise. So all these were see, we've also got their Instagram and everything, so we can pitch to them or their website for that matter. So let's say we are pitching our services to Zuzu Dubai. Okay, I just tried it out with Dubai in Claude just to show you that you can do it for any country for that matter. I'm just gonna go to Zuzu's website, show you how we can contact them. So this is Zuzu's website. See, we've got their email here as well. We've got their Facebook and Instagram. So you just copy this email and you can directly send a mail. Okay. So what mail to send them? We can have Claude craft that as well. I'm just gonna say, hi, I want to reach out to Zuzu. Craft me an outreach message where I help them get good reviews and click on enter. Now, what is Claude gonna do? Now, Claude is going to craft a message as well. Hey, dear team, I hope this message finds you well. I'm a support and ops professional helping restaurants maximize their presence, solve reviews, engage, like increase customer engagement, etc. All you have to do is copy the same thing. See, it's giving you alternative short versions as well. See? Perfect. So it's giving you the email ID here. You just have to copy it and send it across. Now to this email ID that is. Now let's see what ChatGPT has generated. See. Oh, it's given us an intense list, by the way. The Ritz restaurant in London. Here, remember we searched for London. The Ritz restaurant, the pain point is private dining services, delays booking and menu mix-ups. You can just email them over here. Gymkhana has breakdown service breakdowns and mishandled allergens. Can reach out to them over here. So it's given me a list of restaurants I can pitch to. Now, if I want 10 more services like this, I can ask ChatGPT to give me 10 more. Now, let's say I'm gonna pitch myself to the Dover. I'm just gonna say craft and outreach message to Dover, pitching my services. See, it's as simple and easy as that. It's telling, hey, I've been following the Dover's Race and Mayfair's dining scene. It's a standout concept. You're appreciating them. And then you're telling, what you've noticed. A few recent guests' reviews mentioning slower price and etc. etc. And then you're based in India and you work with UK clients remotely, and this is the services you provide, and you're asking them for a 15-minute quick chat. Now, since you're sending a email ID after understanding this person's business and after knowing, they are highly likely to trust you rather than someone else because you made it a point to tell them that, hey, this is your problem and I'm here to solve it for you. Right? Now you can just directly go to Dover's website, not website, email ID, copy this message, paste it, and send it across. Just make sure to add your email and your LinkedIn alone over here. As simple as that. Now we understood that having a proper review for your for your restaurant is very important. But how exactly are you increasing reviews for your local businesses or for your potential clients? I've got 7 ideas for you. So the first way is to automate review requests. You can set up softwares like Nice Job or something to auto text customers after they've been to your restaurant. You can do this for any business for that matter. A salon, a restaurant, a cafe, an accounting firm. You can do this for any business. And then the second strategy is to host local events. So you can help your clients, whomever you're catering to, organize community events like coffee nights, meetups, open mics and stuff like that, where you can request reviews in person. Number three, you can incentivize reviews with tips. I see this a lot, by the way. Okay. Let's say you're giving your services to a restaurant. You can give the restaurant owner the idea that if a particular employee manages to get reviews from a client, they get a $10 tip or something like that. And then you can amplify reviews everywhere. You can use tools like Tagbox, which shows Google reviews on your website, your Instagram, all other social media. You can also offer free value for reviews. So I've seen this also a lot. If whenever you go to a restaurant or a salon and you avail their services, they'll say if you leave a Google review, you get 10% off on your total bill or something like that. So this can be done as well. You can run monthly contests, you can create employee incentives and handle negatives like that. Now, I showed you one way to find restaurants and businesses that require review management, but you can also do it through directories and platforms like SBA, Product Hunt, Shortlist, Good Firms. So these are all directories, okay? What are directories? I'm just going to show you Clutch, for example. Clutch basically is a directory which has all the agencies in the US. Agencies are nothing but service firms. Okay. So this has all the agencies along with their partners or founding person's name, email ID, LinkedIn, etc. If you just scroll down, you'll find a list of industries you can choose from. Let's say you are pitching yourself to a video production agency. Okay, so all these agencies require good reviews to function, right? So they've got 58 reviews. So casual is an agency. They've only got 58 reviews. They can get more. Let's say you can help them out. All you have to do is go on visit website and just go to the last page and you'll find their LinkedIn. Except just click on LinkedIn. It'll take you to Casual's LinkedIn page and click on message and you'll be able to send them a message. So I just showed you one directory. We've got more than that. I'll send you the list. You try it out and let us know what you find. Thank you so much.